everyone, how's it going? In this channel, I'd like to introduce Japanese culture, food, nice spots, useful goods, or any other current information in Japan. I'd like to be watched by someone who wanna visit Japan and experience Japanese culture. Today, I want to show you how to make dorayaki at home, which appears Japanese famous cartoon anime Doraemon. I don't know, we say Doraemon, but in English maybe Doraemon or something. Doraemon is a main character and he is a robot cat from future, and you can see him by blue color and big round eyes. Doraemon has a magical pocket and he can pull out all sort of awesome stuff from that. And Doraemon's favorite sweet is dorayaki. Dorayaki is a popular Japanese sweet made with sweetened red bean paste, sandwiched between pancakes. Several years ago, I saw in a convenience store, but currently I can't see anywhere to be sold. Well, I don't think dorayaki is sold overseas, so today I want to show you how to make dorayaki at home. Let's get started. Today I will use hot cake mix here. I will show you the package like this. Can you see that? In Japan, we can say this one in a supermarket or convenience store. If you don't have hot cake mix, you can buy pancake mix. And this hot cake mix comes pre-packed with flour, baking powder, and sugar. And all you need is an egg and milk and honey to easily make it. First, in a bowl, combine the ingredients and mix well. Actually, today I don't have whipper, so I will use machine to mix it. Heat a frying pan over low heat and add oil and roll out the dough thinly on kitchen paper. Pour in a dough 1 tablespoon at a time and shape into a ball about 1.5 inches. Why?どうでしょう。先生弱い。The surface is bubbling and the eggs are dry. Turn the dough over and cook on lower heat for 1 minute. Yeah. about this one? Oh, so. It's kind of pancakes, but I want to make dorayaki. I will make the pancakes, dorayaki, in the same manner. I will turn it over. Hey! Oh! 焼きすぎ。えい、おお、きれい。これこれ。すごい。This is beautiful. In Japan, we can buy this canned sweetened red beans paste. We say this one anko. Can you see this? If your place don't have such can, you can use canned red beans and sugar. Heat it in a soup pan until water is absorbed. Oh, this is already made, so I don't need to heat this one. I can use this one right away. Sorry. After removing from heat and sandwich a mashed sweet bean paste and a whipped cream, I add whipped cream because they go very well together, but the version without it is original dorayaki. Anyway, I'll make it. This ankle is really sweet one. Oh, ごめんなさい. Oops. Like this? I don't know. And then whipped cream. Like this. And then sandwiches here. This is completed. This is the first one. If you like sweet ones, you can put on a lot. And whipped cream here. And sandwich like this. Yay! It's all done. You should definitely try it at home. In this channel, I will introduce interesting things originated in Japan. If you find it interesting, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next time. Bye!